pandemic. So anyway, that put me in a good mood. What else we've got? We've got Bio3 Research SRL channel. We've got the Francesco Paolo Pilato channel. They've been out for a long, long time. YouTube has given them no love, no love. Anyway, what else we've got? We've got Tia Metamorphosis. If you guys want to check out some really fun art with spilling paints and stuff, very colorful, very cool, go check out Tia Metamorphosis. If you want to buy a house here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, and nearby areas, you would want to check out Lucy Meow. Lucy Meow has some fun things going on there. Another really fun channel about music, guitars, and rock-like stuff, fun stuff, is Frank Pilato. Frank Pilato. What else we got? We got Rice, not Rice, RC Life On. RC Life On is another fun channel that you guys can check out. Stevie Ohio. Oh, Steve Ohio. 1880. Thank you for joining and for giving the wave. The wave returns back to you. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being here, guys. What else we've got here? I was saying RC Life On. He's made all kinds of amazing things. Again, also with 3D printings and technology devices. He's even created his own 3D printed shoes that he runs through the forest in, which is really, really fun. Go check him out. RC Life On. Who else we got? We got Jana. Jana, if you guys are fans of drumming and drummers and just way out wacky music with drums, you've got to watch Jana. Jana is awesome. Junna. Go check it out. It is fantastic. I've never seen anybody drum the way she drums. Who else we've got? We've got MRTV. For if you guys are interested in, yo, what's up, Tanner Hone? Thank you for joining, Tanner Hone. If you guys are into VR, goggles, and virtual reality, that's one really cool channel to look at, MRTV. And recently, he's got a video about you can learn languages in VR. That is something cool. So he was brushing up his French in VR. Put on a bunch of glasses, and you could study. Maybe that's something that I should do. Maybe I should do VR chat French lessons. Anyway, or Italian lessons, or English lessons, or whatever lessons in VR. That would be fun. Ken Heron. Ken Heron is a amazing channel. Sometimes he'll do things in collaboration with other channels, such as Original